Today marks a bold new chapter in Bangladesh's tech frontier. DhumketuX and Robodamy have officially signed a memorandum of understanding uniting two forces of innovation to shape the future of robotics, aerospace, STEM education, and EdTech. Nahiyan Al Rahman, DhumketuX CEO. This partnership isn't just about technology, it's about empowering a generation. Together, we'll build smarter drones, advanced robots, and create educational tools that reach every corner of the country. Fazle Elahi Tonmoy. At Robodamy, we believe in learning through doing. By joining hands with DhumketuX, we're bringing robotics and aerospace closer to the classroom, bridging the gap between students and real-world innovation. From campus innovation programs to cutting-edge aerospace missions, this collaboration will drive real change for students, engineers, and dreamers. Together, we launch forward. DhumketuX and Robodamy are designing the future, from Earth to sky. Innovation begins with collaboration.